Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video of today, it's all about mouse. Now I'm talking about Logitech mouse, because on this channel we have reviewed a couple of Logitech products, and especially the mouse and the keyboard. It's really kind of great. But today we are having a mouse in the house, and what's so special about this mouse? Well, it can copy files throughout different machines, and you can even cross-platform on the machine like Mac and Windows, and you can even do bunch of stuff, especially like copying files like I was saying, and another kind of stuff. It's really kind of nice and handy, and it falls into category like MX Master series list. So enough of me talking, let's get started on this video today. Whoa, there we have it. As you can see guys, this is the Logitech M590. Now the goodness about this mouse is just smaller, and another kind of stuff, it has a button somewhere here located which is back and forward, and another kind of stuff, it uses the Logitech Flow. Now the Logitech Flow, it's really coming in handy because you can transfer or you can use mouse in multiple devices, especially like Mac and Windows or Windows and Windows, and it's really kind of great because it's really awesome to be using it throughout your workflows. It's really awesome. Copying files like smaller files up to 1 MB, 1 GB. It depends with the file transfer how speedy it is, but usually it's really not quite bad. It's really great. Now we're gonna just have a look through this mouse. We're gonna unbox it and check out what's goody about it. So yeah. To the mouse, and ladies and gentlemen, voila, this is our mouse. Really kind of great looking. To be honest, I kind of vibe with it. The color, it's really dope. Man, like gray, it's really kind of awesome. Gray, space gray, you can call it any name you'd like. It's really kind of awesome mouse looking, really kind of legitimate. It's dope. You can say Picasso. It's really awesome. And another kind of stuff, you can go back and forth throughout pages, which is really good. So yeah, let us just explore this kind of mouse and see what's happening. So on the inside, as usual, you're getting a dongle, and this kind of dongle, it's a unifying dongle. That means whenever you lose this dongle and you buy another Unify, it's capable of replacing throughout this dongle, which is really kind of awesome. Another kind of stuff guys, you're getting a battery which lasts for 2 years, which is stated on the box here. Whenever you're unboxing, you'll see 24 months, which is really legit for the battery, so you don't need to replace any kind of batteries for 2 years, which is really dope. So yeah guys, right now we're good to go. As you can see, we're having our bad boy connected, and that's our mouse there I'm using. You can see the cursor is moving, which is really good, and just like that, we're good to go. Now we're gonna just go to Logitech options, so as we can just do a lot of tweaking around to see if our mouse has popped up here on the Logitech options, so as we can do some bunch of stuff. So you can see we are having the MX Master 3, and alongside we're having M585 M590, which is the mouse, which is really good. We're gonna tap on it and get it thrown inside, and you can see here they swipe left and right, but there's no capability of application, so there's no any info. But if you go to MX Master 3, throughout here you can see there's application. The application will pop up because you can customize the mouse depending on what preferences you want, which is good about the MX Master. But on this mouse too, it's really great because you're getting some options here to see what's happening on your software. And this, we're having point scroll. You can adjust your scrolling speed, smooth scrolling, which is really good. I would like to airflow. Now this is really important. So if you enable the airflow, it will just set up throughout your mouse. In couple of minutes you're ready to go, and you're gonna just use it throughout machine. So you can see here I'm trying download and install, pair your mouse to other, connect your, okay, I need just to go to another software, enable Logitech Flows. So I'm gonna go to my other machine here and enable Logitech Flows, so as I can show you guys what's going on throughout Logitech Flows. It's really good, it's really great, and you can see what's happening. So yeah, so guys, we are on our first machine which we connected the dongle. As you can see there, it's really kind of great. When I move it on this side, side, we are going to our second machine, which you connected the dongle, which it's really kind of great, to be honest. I kind of vibe with it, and you can see here what's going on throughout the second machine. And yeah, just like that, we are having our mouse there rolling, which is good. Now we can go all the way to downloads or anything you'd like, so as you can copy files and copy it to another kind of place you want to. So let me say I'm going to copy perhaps this logo, and just copy it just like that, and go back to another kind of screen of the machine and try to paste it here. As you can see, our logo will be pasted just like that by using Logitech Flow, which I call it sometimes Airflow, but it's really kind of great. You can see there we're having the picture there. Now it's time to copy a little bit like a more bigger file. Let me say a more bigger file. I just want to copy like a file which is a little bit kind of tougher, so you just have to go all the way again to your machine here, and there's a little bit of slowness, like a little bit of lagness. I think it's my connectivity, and you can select the video you want to. Let me say this one, and copy and go directly throughout the machine, and I can right click it and paste it on the desktop side, and you can see it's copying there, which it's really kind of legitimate, to be honest. And I'm kind of vibing with it, because having this kind of copying files at the same time, it's really coming in handy. You can see that we're playing our video, which it's really kind of great throughout the flow. So I hope you understood how the flow works. So this is the flow, and this is your dashboard. You can select your screen where you want it to go. By this one, I selected it to go on this side and go back again on this side. If you swipe, you can swap this way and it will just swap, which is really kind of great. So yeah, so guys, that's what's up about this kind of mouse, which it's M590. It's a really kind of great and amazing kind of mouse, to be honest. I kind of love it. And on this kind of side, you can see we're having the Logitech. Now, giving you guys some differentiation, just some slight. On these MX Master series mouses, you can map any kind of button depending on the software you're using. You can customize, do this and that, which is good. On this sideways, you cannot do that. You can only get these kind of features like back and forward, scrolling throughout the web pages by using this scroller, going back and forward, which it's really coming in handy. And on top of it, you're getting the flow, which is really kind of awesome. So this kind of mouse, it does not break your bank. It's really kind of budget, I can call it, and it's really kind of awesome. To be honest, it's really kind of old mouse, like a couple of past years, but it's really intuitive. You know, sometimes on the mouse side, since they release it, it might stay for almost even 8 to 9 years, but still the mouse capability, it's impressive. And I cross my fingers you can get updates through this mouse, same as the MX Master, which it's really coming in handy. So that's what's up about the M590. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about this mouse. To be honest, I kind of vibe with the colors. I like this grayish, it's really nice, but you know me, I'm a black matte. I like the black matte going, but this one too, it's really dope. Slapping it on your setup, looking so awesome. This is the way to go. So yeah, so guys, that's what's up. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about this mouse. Is it really kind of legitimate for you? Are you looking for to get a mouse which you can have two machines and paste, or you're just looking for a greater mouse which it's silent? Because the button, to be honest, of this mouse, it's really silent. It does not have any kind of clicky. It's really stealth, which is really awesome about the M590. So let me know in the comments down below, and that's what's up. You're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. My name is Abdurrahim103, and I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace. You